Greetings. I hope you're well and prospering. I'm going to address a small little problem we all wrestle with in the sun systems world. Let me show it to you. As soon as you see it, you know what I'm talking about. We try to start sun systems and we click a function as soon as we start it, and we get this error message like this, or some other error message. It happens so much that almost everyone has become an expert at fixing it. The problem is, of course, you all know, you don't need a video to show you this, is that the services all did not start. So I've restarted my computer and the services failed to, the several of the services failed to start. And so we uh, all know how to fix that. We come over here to services, and here you go. You could see that the Sun System services, two of them failed to start. Well, recently someone showed me how to fix that so you don't have that problem. And so we're all accustomed to coming over and just starting those services, but it'd be nice to have a permanent fix, and that's what I'm about to show you. So the ones that are giving you the most trouble, what is happening is that all the services are trying to start at one time and they crowd each other out. The security services has to start before the others start, these other two start. And so this one tries to start, it sees the security services hasn't started, so it fails to start. Security services does start, but this one has already failed. So the way to fix that is if you go to properties and set it to a delayed start. So it will start itself, okay? It will start itself, but it delays a little bit so that the security services gets to start first, okay? All right, and so if you do that just to the ones that are giving you the trouble, and then let's restart the machine. Okay, let me get out of this. That's another problem we need. Okay, let's restart the machine and watch how this works. Now, what you have to realize is that when you start your Sun systems, when you start your computer, that you have to give it enough time for the system, the services to start, but they will start by themselves. And so that's what we're going to demonstrate here to you. Okay, so let's say we've had a second go by, and we go to services here. Okay, and come on, there we go. So here are the services. Sun systems, you see these started by themselves. Okay, now this screen is not automatically refreshing. So let's say a 30 seconds have gone by. Okay, and I'm just refreshing the screen here. Takes a watch pot never boils. Okay, it took a little while, and when I'm editing the video, we'll be able to tell exactly how long it took, but you see that ultimately everything started. So the idea being you start your computer, go do something else on the computer, but just don't try to do Sun Systems until you've left an appropriate amount of delay, but it will ultimately start itself and will quit that necessity of frustrating you because they don't start, and then you go over and start them yourself. So I hope this helped, and we will I'll be interested in your feedback if you leave your feedback in comments below about how well this has worked for you. And you may have a little bit different formula of which one needs to start first and so forth, but I think you'll find this is very helpful.